Hey guys, welcome back to Just Piddlin Barbecue. Today I'm going to do a cinnamon roll cake on the Silverbac. Okay, so I already have my flour in my bowl. We have 3 cups of flour. We're going to add a cup of sugar, which is a lot. Then I have 4 teaspoons of baking powder and a half a teaspoon of salt. We have 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. A half a cup of melted butter. One and a half cups of milk. I'm gonna mix this up and then I'm gonna put my 2 eggs in it. Now I'm gonna add the 2 eggs and mix real well. All right guys, I've got everything mixed up. Now I'm going to pour it into a 9x13 pan, glass dish. I greased the dish ahead of time, so make sure you grease that so your cake doesn't get stuck. So we'll spread this out evenly. And then we'll make our cinnamon mixture. Okay, so now we're gonna make the cinnamon topping. I've got 3/4 cups melted butter. One cup of brown sugar. We have 2 tablespoons of flour and 1 tablespoon of cinnamon. Gonna give that a mix. So now we're going to drop some of this in. Over the cake mixture. Then I'm going to take a butter knife and just swirl it through. Don't go all the way through the cake. Because I love a cinnamon roll. So I have it all put together. You have to bake it at 350. It says 28 to 32 minutes. Not sure where they got those numbers from, but I've learned with baking on the grill that I have to go up about 10 or 15 minutes. So I'm gonna say 350 for about 40 or 45 minutes. But when we get finished and we take it off, I'll let you know for sure how long we cooked it. The Silverbac is up to temp, so we're fixing to stick it on. I'm gonna make the icing for the cinnamon roll cake. I have 2 cups of powdered sugar, 5 tablespoons of milk, and 1 tablespoon of vanilla. Give this a good mix, and when the cake is finished, you want to pour this over the cake while it's still warm. Okay, I've just checked the cinnamon roll cake. It has baked for 35 minutes and we're ready to take it off. All right guys, now it's time to taste the cinnamon cake. Very good, it's very moist and it tastes just like a cinnamon roll. I hope y'all like this recipe. Give my video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my husband's channel. And until then, we'll be piddling. Hey guys, welcome back to Just Piddlin Barbecue. Today I'm going to do another dessert and we're going to do it on... I almost said the chimp.